Hello guys, it's Glitter. I decided to make a video on like some of my restaurant stops, some of my eats, my African food eating. And before I go into the video, I hope you've liked, subscribed, hit the bell icon, support your sister, support your girl as I take you around Ghana. So I have been to so many restaurants. I've been to so many like food bukas, joints, and I want to share some of my African dishes that I've come across as I've been traveling. And I said I was going to eat salad, but being in Africa, salad, I can eat salad alongside something else, but there's nothing but delicious food. So walk with me. And like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, and see my journey of eating African foods. Hey guys, I'm having some in this like off the beaten path restaurant. It's up in the cut. We're not gonna tell you where it's at. And this is what I'm eating. I'm eating fish, eggs.
Yo, Glitteratie in the house.
Hey guys,
Hey.
chicken. Look at Eve's food.
I live in the house.
Say hi.
Hi, and your little baby get the rough.
Okay, you see that? Charlie, what are you eating?
Jollof rice with everything, plantains.
Oh, that looks
That's
so
a lot
good.
of onions.
Andy, what are you eating? Same thing, jollof rice, plantains,
Yeah.
egg.
Mm-hmm.
Talk about plating, guys. Oh my God. What? Charlie,
Yes, baby.
you came through.
Yes, so.
Came through. So I'm just gonna eat like a spoonful. My salad. This is not actually my food. I ordered salad. Oh, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
your trainer is watching?
I ordered salad.
Your trainer is watching?
I'm waiting for my salad. Please take this plate away from me. I didn't order this.
Oh, I guess I'm starting something.
I'm about to dig right in, guys. Join me. We're going to this place called Honeysuckle. She's saying it's a really great restaurant. I said, what kind of food do they have here? She said everything, so we'll see. Eve, come over here. Get on my film for a minute. This is Eve. She has her own station on DSTV. You know that? Black women making moves.
Shot on him, but
This is Honeysuckle, guys.
someone to link the team a bit from back
Eve is bringing me to
Arsenal.
Honeysuckle. He wants to eat orishi pasta and garlic bread. We're in Ghana.
I'm eating buffalo all the time. Why? Every food. I'm tired.
What?
I'm tired. I want to try and use something. And now I get to have it.
Eve's dish. You said it's delicious. You said this is one of the best restaurants in Ghana. What's it called?
No, they're not endorsing me. I'm not gonna say the best. They're good. But what they bring?
What are they called? What's the name? Is Honeysuckle?
It's a clear identity of how Jose Mourinho wants to play.
Yes.
It might not be how the Tottenham fans want to.
I kept it local. Yams and corned beef sauce. There goes Eve's being real American, real Canadian about the situation. You see that?
Yes.
You see that? Let me eat my local food, like a local girl that I am. Alright, we out here eating at night in Ghana. Let me get the rice. We're getting some assorted rice. You gotta get some local nighttime eating. I gotta put my YouTube. Hi ladies, how you doing? What's going on? Y'all look so lovely tonight. Assorted rice. Look at this rice. Look at all this rice. Oh Lord, it's about to go down. I'm not eating it all. What the rice looks like. Who could eat this rice by themselves? Look at all this rice. That's from the back corners of Osu. My friend took me there. Is this called wild rice or crazy rice? I don't remember, but it looks like they have put every kind of meat, every kind of thing, plus shito in it. This was the video that I showed you of the place. They were making the rice. This is the rice. Everybody, so this is one of my favorite restaurants in Ghana. It's called Glitteratie, and the food is absolutely divine. I always come here. I always hit here. Everybody always brings me here. Anytime I'm in Ghana, I have to eat in this place. Not only do they have a restaurant, they have a liquor store right there for the liquor heads, if you want to get your liquor on. So I usually buy a Bailey's from there. They have a little bakery that's really, really good. There goes he's always asking for money. It's called Glitteratie, and it's really good. They have a restaurant, they have a lounge upstairs. Looks like I've never been to the lounge. Always just come to chop. Food is so yummy. Let me show you the bakery section of it. And then I'm gonna show you my meal that I'm gonna eat. So they have outdoor seating as well as indoor seating. I'm probably gonna eat inside because it's hot in Ghana. This is their bakery section. They have real yummy stuff in the bakery section. How are you? How are you doing? What do you have today? Meat? What's the different flavors? Meat and fish. All right, so I'm gonna eat first, then I'm gonna come and buy it to go. Okay? All right, thank you. So like I said, it's really, really nice. You guys can see. This is the outdoor eating area of it. And the food is absolutely divine. I'm here with Chooks, my fam Chooks. And he knows this is my favorite restaurant, but I'll keep you guys posted. All right? So we're gonna get some. I'm gonna eat some egusi and fufu today. So we're entering Eatery. Oh, there's seats. Hey, menu. They have local dishes, and they have I guess American, Asian, fusion, American food too. We're not eating any of the American food. We're staying in the local section. Chooks, what we eating today? I don't see egusi. Where's my egusi soup? Do you see egusi on here? Burgers. Who's eating burgers in Ghana? Chooks, what are we eating today?
I don't know.
Side orders of plantain is here. Look at the fried rice. Chooks, are you sharing? Chooks, are you sharing? And I ordered yam and palava sauce. That's coming out. The food here is amazing, guys. So if you're ever in Ghana, you've got to come to Chi Treat. It's off the chain. Eating, guys, without showing you my food. So this is my palava sauce and yam. I'm about to tear down on it. Palava sauce is made out of a lot of veggies and stuff like that. So it's good for you. It does have some oil. So yum. My palava sauce and yam. So delicious. Chi Treat makes the best food here. Best food. Let's go. I'm almost full. This is the liquor store, fully loaded. I think I'm about to get me some Baileys. I don't know. I'm gonna need to drink to edit this YouTube video, y'all. So I'm gonna need to get a Baileys on the go with a little small nip. They're not open. We're waiting for them to open so I can get toasted. But they have a liquor store. They have a restaurant, bakery. Everything you need is here. And it's what's Adenta area, Chooks? Say hi to Chooks. Chooks, say hi to everybody.
What's up, hi?
So what area is this, Chooks?
This is Achimota.
Achimota. My birthday plate, y'all. Man. Woo, jollof rice, Ghana jollof. So you guys know I like kenke. My host for Airbnb got me some kenke, but then they have the sauce that they made. Ha! It's so good. I'm about to tear up this kenke. I'm taking it to the motherland. Ooh, this pepper is hot though. Look at this delicious food. Hey! I've landed in Ghana, and the first thing I have to break my fast with some party fried jollof, some chicken, rotisserie chicken, tuna salad. Who's gonna eat all of this? Not me. Fred is gonna eat some of it too, right, Fred? Hey! You know, party. All right, let's chop. Let's chop. Look, Grace's mommy made me something. Thank you, Grace's mommy. Some palava sauce, serious, and food. Ah, this is for 3 people or 20 people. Everybody go chop, right? Everybody go chop.
Dope Nation. Give me 2 shots on the regular.